Big rule with stainless steel, really for any cookware you should get in the habit of, heat it first. Make sure it's hot first before the oil goes in, before the meat goes in. Medium-high heat. We're going to wait for this to be hot, but right now there's nothing in the pan because I'm going to be putting droplets of water in there. You don't want a grease fire. Don't put the oil in there and then putting water in your pan. Just take your hands, get some water from the tap, and put it in there. And I mean, it bubbles and spurts, is just sitting there, but it's not hot. When it's really hot for browning meat, you'll see like beads of marbles. We talk about this a lot in the class, okay? You'll see like beads of marbles from the water rolling around in the pan. That's gonna tell you when it's hot. But again, I have to stress that there's nothing in the pan right now. There's no oil. I don't want you guys putting water in there with hot oil and you're having a grease fire and you're blaming it on me. There's nothing in there. Okay, we're getting there. It bubbles and spurts and evaporates immediately, pretty much. We're getting hot, but we're not there yet. I want to wait till this is really hot so we can get some nice browning. Let's test the pan again. Oh yeah, look at that. You see the beads of marbles? Not that it's actually marbles, but you know what I mean? The beads of water that look like marbles rolling around the pan. Now we know we're hot. So any residual water, I'm just going to take out with a towel. Now we can add the olive oil.